Hello everyone, welcome back to another sharing video from Dinh Duy Cuong. In this video, I will answer a question from one of my students. They asked how to transfer pattern files between different software, specifically from Optitex to Gerber and to Lectra, or vice versa from Gerber or Lectra software into Optitex. So right now I will explain this to you. After installing the Optitex software, you will see several convert sections here, from convert 1 to convert 5. And there is also a dedicated export section. If you want to transfer your pattern files from Optitex to either Gerber or Lectra software, you'll use this PDS export tool. You will double click on it, and at this point you will see a PDS export window appear here. You will choose and select the software you are intending to transfer your data to in the Output System section. Here, I will use an example of transferring to Gerber software. After that, you will click on this three-dot button. You will select the location where the Optitex file is stored and click on the Optitex file. Check the box for Use Input File Direction and then click Convert for me. Immediately, the file from Optitex has been converted to Gerber and it appears down here. You can drag it up here. This is the file for the Gerber software. If you want to convert this Optitex file to Lectra software, select Lectra MDL for me and then click Convert again. Right away, you will have the Lectra software file right here. You can send these two files to your partner, and if they are using Gerber or Lectra, they can open them right away. Now let's consider the opposite scenario. If your customer sends you a Gerber file or a Lectra file, how will you import it into the Optitex software? The first thing you need to pay attention to is this Convert 1 option, which is for importing patterns from Gerber software into Optitex. At this point, you will need to click on this three-dot button for me. This three-dot button is used to select the Gerber file. Here, I'll use an example file from the desktop. After that, you will select all these details and choose the file path here. I'll use the file path here as an example. I'll select the desktop. Then I'll click Load. Immediately, you'll see that there's an Optitex file here. There you go, this file has been imported from Gerber software into Optitex. If you ever find that you need to import a specific file from the Lectra system into Optitex, you will need to use the built-in convert function. You will then see a new window appear on your screen called Lectra to Optitex Convert. From this interface, simply select the small icon with three dots located on the top line, carefully choose the exact folder location where your Lectra file is currently stored, and then click the OK button to complete the process. Then you will see the Lectra file here. At this point, click Load. If your computer prompts you like this, it means there is a duplicate file. You can either rename the duplicate file or close the file that is currently open. And you will rename it. For example, I will rename this file because it is a duplicate. Now click Yes to all. Immediately, you will see that an Optitex file has been successfully transferred from the Lectra software directly to here. You can then open this specific file and work with it just as you would normally do. If you find this video helpful and useful in solving your problem, please consider supporting Dinh Duy Cuong's YouTube channel by subscribing. Goodbye for now, and see you in the next helpful sharing videos.